Buddy, I've been sneezing all day, and I thought I would take a video of it because it's like nonstop. So I it started this morning, but then it like tapered off a little bit, and I thought, well, I'll be cool, but let's start up again. Excuse me. Okay. I had been asked to make more sneezing videos, so I guess this will answer that request. So, because everybody's stuck in their house, so am I, and damn. Okay. I lost count. I lost count a while ago, but I think once this is over, I gotta get a Kleenex. I don't know when this is gonna, like, even if I could just but I'm glad you guys are probably enjoying this. My nose just itches like crazy. It's like all the way into here. So sorry for my neighbors if they can't hear this. That's whatever. But anyway, so today I thought I would go through some of my movies. And then tonight, when I'm done sneezing, I can watch a couple of movies. That would be fun. This is really weird. Like, sneezing into the camera. It's kind of bizarre. I don't know. Not sure. I'm not sure when this round is going to stop, but I guess I'll keep filming. Damn. I've got such a headache from this. This is like my worst day in like 2 months of allergies. I don't know why, because it's not warm and allergy-ish out. It's chilly here. So I thought, tired. I guess I can. Let me get a drink of water. Sometimes that helps. Hold on a second. Sometimes it. I think I'm done. Please be done.